SafeSmart developed this customised system for a major Australian aviation operator and their fleet of Boeing 717 aircraft. It is a height-adjustable cantilever platform reaching between 2.8 metres to 4.5 metres, activated by a manual winch and cable system. The incremental height-locking spring pins engage automatically as the platform is raised, and it is lowered by a simple pull handle. Heavy-duty casters and towing ability make manoeuvring easy and efficient, and height-adjustable machine jacks give stability to the platform. This platform can be used in any area where a similar access is required. In fact, this platform can be used for a range of applications in any industry. When raised, the platform will stand at nearly double its original height at 4.5 metres. The custom-designed access ladder retains its 70-degree angle as the platform raises in height, keeping the system's footprint compact. Guardrails either side of the ladder make for safe access as the operator climbs. This platform has custom side access gates specifically requested by our client to allow access to different parts of the aircraft. And a self-locking latch engages as the gate is closed. Foam rubber buffers on all possible aircraft contact points protect against damage to the aircraft. This platform is made of high tensile aluminium, weight rated at 225 kilograms for 2 people on the platform, and is easily moved by just one operator. This system helps to bring our client greater efficiency and height safety when working around the Boeing 717. To find out more about this system or get a custom design created based on this for your MRO safety needs or for applications in any other industry, Google SafeSmart Access now.